Good afternoon. We're going to show you DIY how to move your refrigerator by yourself. First, you get a good dolly. It's a good one here. A little rusty, but it's strong. You get your fridge, and if you push up a little bit, you got just enough room to slide the dolly under there. And then you can put your foot here so that the tires don't come back. And then pull back on the fridge at the same time you're pulling back on mine. What's wrong?
Maybe you should fill up the tire.
Oh yeah. Alright, actually you need a full tire and you need a strap so that when you pull back on it, it goes with the dolly. You got a strap, go through the handles of the doors. And don't squish your water hoses. And realize that you need to be on the other side because you got to come towards you and go the way that you want to go. Alright, and then pulling this, the foot on the dolly, pull back on the top of the fridge, and go. Can you push on it?
Uh-huh.
Push!
Okay.
Are you pushing?
Yeah.
Push harder!
Fine.
Can you push?
I am!
Just push! What's wrong?
Nothing. Except, I think you might have to take the doors off.
Doors off? You don't know anything. Alright, the doors didn't quite come off because the hoses, there's hoses in the door for the water and ice. So I just kind of turned it backwards. I think that'll give us enough room. And then I just tied it so that when I tilt it back, it doesn't flop out. I used
a half hitch and a sheep shake. Really? It's good not to know for a survivor in DIY. Gotta know sheep shake.
And when you're pushing, if it's not going, then don't push too hard. Because you were pushing too hard and it damaged the door handles on the gate. So you gotta not push too hard. If it's not going, you just gotta try something different. Push harder! We need to push it. Am I lined up?
I think so.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.